Magluluto tayo ng adobong manok. Ito ang ingredients. Chicken parts, red onion, 1 1/2 cups of water, dried bay leaves, 3 tablespoons white vinegar, 8 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 pieces pineapple slice, pepper and salt, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon brown sugar, peppercorns, and 2 to 3 tablespoon oil. Mga palangga, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more videos. Adobong manok, often called chicken adobo, is often considered the national dish of the Philippines. Ang pagluluto ng adobong manok ay madali at simple lang. I suggest na i-marinate nyo ang chicken 1 to 2 hours or overnight to make it more flavorful. Dito sa Pinas, may iba't ibang klase kung papaano lutuin ang adobo. Nangunguna sa listahan ng adobo kapag napag-uusapan ang mga pagkain Pinoy. Ayon sa history, nagmula ang salitang adobo sa Spanish word na adobar, na ibig sabihin ay i-marinate o ibabad. May iba't ibang version sa pagluluto ng adobong manok, tulad ng adobong Tagalog o adobong puti. May lutong adobong manok na may sauce o yung gusto ng dry. After a long day, you deserve a comforting meal. It's time to marinate. White vinegar, soy sauce, garlic, and dry bay leaves lang ang ipangmamarinate ko. Combine in a large bowl or dish like mine and mix it well. Imamarinate ko ito ng 2 hours, pero kung ipagbubukas mo pa iluluto, marinate it overnight for more flavorful. I will add pineapple juice. This dish gained popularity because of its delicious taste and easy to prepare. The best ito i-partner sa mainit na kanin at saka kung malagyan ng adobo sauce, nako, ang sarap! I-cling wrap ko lang ito tsaka ilalagay sa chiller. Mga palangga, please follow me in my social account, Facebook page and Instagram at Nikai Recipes. Heat the cooking pot in a medium-high heat and then pour cooking oil. When the oil is hot enough, ipapan fry natin ang minarinate natin na chicken for 2 to 3 minutes per side. After pan-frying the chicken, pour the remaining marinade. Optional lang ito, you can include the garlic or not. Add the remaining ingredients like white vinegar, peppercorn, sugar, and water. Season with salt and pepper. Tatakpan ko na ito at i-bring to boil. Every 10 minutes, chine-check ko ang manok. Lulutuin ko lang to about 30 to 35 minutes or more until the chicken gets tender. Shout out sa mga kabadis ko. Thank you sa walang sawang pagsusuporta. For suggestions and feedback, please don't hesitate to comment below. Mga palangga, please check my other cooking videos like Pia para na bakas, hot and spicy buffalo wings, and more. Yay! Ready na to but still stirring and cook for at least 10 minutes. I will add garnish like red onion rings and pineapple chunks. Gutom na ako at sa kaamoy pa lang, nako, mapaparami naman ang kanin ko nito. It's ready to serve. Ito na ang ating adobong manok na napakasarap at linamnam. Miyaka pita-pita am! Thank you for watching! Again, please subscribe to Nikai Recipes. Then don't forget to thumbs up, share my videos, and lastly, hit the notification bell for more videos update.